Personal effects entries is pretty much what it sounds like. So let's say you moved from Italy over to the US and you're trying to bring all of the things that you owned over there. That can be an overwhelming process, especially since you have so much stuff. Normally, when an item enters the country, you have to have an exact harmonized tariff code for it, an HTS number. In the case of personal effects, there's a tariff for just broad personal effects, which allows you to basically bring in all of your personal goods, with some exceptions, into the country. And those are a little more difficult to deal with simply because customs is not familiar with you as an individual usually. And so we have to deal with different types of regulations on those. And that's just something that I would definitely encourage you to work closely with your broker on if you decide to do that.